No words to explain. Come. Look at the beauty, man. Welcome back to Itchygloves. You people can see the water, the specific color of the water. I will take you there, that side. I'm really excited to come this place because the thing amazing. Wow, it's an amazing place. I really love this place that much. It's called beauty of nature.
Hey, careful. Is that water or chemical?
I hope it's a water.
For me, I feel myself bit harder to walk, step on those rocks. You can see the fish over there, so which is 100% nature. Woo! The people who usually doing trekking, for them it's not a big deal, but like me, rarely, sometime. For them, it's difficult thing to do. Not much difficult. Just to walk your steps bit carefully. That's it. And he is my boss. Sir, say hi.
Hello.
Look at the way where he's walking. This is what we said. We should walk very carefully over there. Simbu! Simbu is over there. Hi! And this is our team. We decided to go still a bit forward to there. That is the place we was there. So finally, we have to plan to go upstairs. I dropped my plan to go up. I'm not much strong enough by my heart to climb up, so I dropped my plan. I'm getting down. அதுக்கு மேலே ஈஸியாக இருக்கா? ஆ, அதுக்கு மேலே ஈஸி இருக்கா? இது மட்டும் தானா? So still I'm going up, climbing. Oh my god, you wanna see front side? Yalla. Huh? Yeah. I feel, it's like raining man here. Finally we are here. I have no words, man, to explain that much beautiful place in Salalah, Oman. You see the things, the water circulation on the air. It's like, beautiful. Again and again, my camera is accommodated with water. Love you too! Everywhere. Especially the main attraction for me here, the water. Water is amazing.
It's completely different.
Yeah, that's true.
Not two, not three.
Yeah, so which is the swimming pool artificially they are making those color, but here the nature is made it. Used to say nature is always great. This is the place. Because this place only I refused to climb up. Anyway, finally I came. But the problem is, for me, I feel a bit scary to get down. Anyway, we should get down. Beauty of Oman. Beauty of Salalah. No words to explain. See guys, how I will go from this place. For me, I can sit more than an hour in the same place to enjoy this view. Such a beautiful, amazing view I can see it here in Oman.